Welcome back to the Crypto Nest and good Thursday. So yesterday we had quite of bull impulse, and then everybody's happy today. Actually, yesterday, and then you work so much happier when your crypto they move in the way you thought they would do. So here we said that we started our first green count, wave 1 and 2. And then maybe this we can count it as another 1, 2. And then we can say we did the 3, the 4, and the 5 to complete this third green count. Within this third green count, we said that I wasn't sure if the green count would be, let me put back this one here. So if that was actually an A and a B, and then we didn't completed the C, or this was a shallow C. That was one option. Okay, so let me take out this option now. And then also I said maybe this small correction price was an A, B, and a C. And then that this was actually a 1 and a 2. And I actually believe that more likely this was the better count. And then this is why I told you guys that this line here, horizontal line at 193.1 was very relevant, because if price of this wave 2 would have gone lower, it would have invalidated this yellow count. So for me this was a nice potential entry point. And then so the limit was here. And then so if you get in this area, which was the ideal retracement for this wave 1, would have been a nice entry point. Well, unfortunately I didn't got in at that lower price. I actually got at 212. So I got some here, and I put my sell stop limit just below 192. And then suddenly yesterday, everything went accordingly to plan. Everybody was positive. The market did like the Powell increase rate decision, and then liked his speech, and then motivated the market. And then we did this impulse move to the up. And then once again, our Fibonacci extension relevant or what? Because look at that, we bend on our in this third wave that we calculated together. So first thing, it's important to take profits. So I took some like 33%, 1/3 of my purchase that I did yesterday at 274. And then now I think I'm going to get maybe another a little bit, maybe another 20%, so, or 17%. So I will cash in my 50% of my investment, and I'm going to let it run for the rest. And for sure, I think now that we reach the third wave, I'm going to calculate the Fibonacci retracement for this third wave if it's finished. So I'm going to keep an eye on the price action. So so up to now, I'm doing 37.26%. That's a really nice investment gain in not even 48 hours. Okay, so now we said wave 4, it can retrace between 0.2. Okay, no, that's not right though. It's too early. Okay, so now I reached this ideal level 3 area level. So now we need, the price need to go back here. Actually, can I say that you already reached the target? I don't know, this market nowadays it's so crazy. You kind of touch it because it did came here, right? And we could also say that maybe this box I could stretch it down. Let me redo the extension just to be sure, so I can calculate the new because I think I didn't do it last time. Okay, so first of all, let me erase this one. Let me pull out the extension. So we said beginning of wave 1 to the end of the wave 1, and we add this level here. So we said 1.618. So you see, actually the price did move a little bit, and then I didn't adjust my price. Okay, so the actually target, it's now reached, the ideal target. Now let me go back on the maybe 1 day Optimism. So as you can see, I don't have any reference that I can relate to, because this stock is too new. Is it? Yes. So if we had more history, I could say, okay, like no, there is a previous support here, so it's going to give me an idea of where maybe to put my sell stop limit or something like that. But now it's it's like you're walking within a thick fog, so you don't know where you're going. You cannot see anything, and then you just need to try to orientate yourself with the Fibonacci extension. So now we just said that we just reached three times this Fibonacci ideal extension for the third wave, and we're kind of reacting to in this hour to this minimum target. So that's great. So now let me okay, so this is still good though, the retracement. I'm going to put it in yellows because this is the all part of the same impulse. So then I'm going to shift a little bit the box, and I'm going to wait a retracement here. So now I would say here, this peak this week, it's a nice point to refer to. So if he ever gets to this area, well, I think I'm going to get a little bit more of the other time I did once per minute, and it was keeping beeping. So once per minute, once per hour, or once, it's good enough. So we are going to just check the price movement. I would say that also this area, it's maybe a relevant one to have an eye on. I'm not going to put an alarm on that one, but just keep an eye on it. And then if you really follow this one, then and you see that it reacts, is going to bounce back. Maybe I'm going to decide to get a little bit more here, but just a small amount, because I mean the nice entry point was here, and then well, for sure even before. But so let's not try to FUD. And then if we actually make a small pullback and we reach higher price, this is going to complete our fifth wave. And then so there is no need to FUD. For sure you are disconnected. Yeah. And so that would complete the fifth wave in green. So then we just need to remember that, let me go back to the 1 day. So like do not FUD, because we are going to have another chance to get in this coin. And then we are going actually to do A, B, and C, so we can get Optimism at cheaper level. So we just need to be patient and wait price to come to you, and not chasing for the price. Okay, so the RSI, it's going down. MACD, now we're getting a little bit more momentum, so it's all good. I think we can still do this fifth leg, no problem, unless something dramatic happen or a crazy announcement. We should be fine. So if I'm going to do a next update if we reach this retracement level. Otherwise I'm going to maybe try to do other crypto coin analysis that I didn't cover yet. Alright, so this is all for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Any questions, drop them in the comments. Have a great week.